Have you heard people say that it's all or nothing for them and that they are all or nothing kind of a person? While they could have meant being 100% committed to any task that they take, all or nothing mindset is actually deterrent to our growth and success. Did you know that? Hey there, my name is Aparna. I'm a coach. Every week, I bring to you tips, tricks, tools, and hacks that can help you upskill your life. If this interests you, do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel or following me on my Facebook page. The details are given in the description below. An all or nothing thinking or a mindset is a cognitive distortion where one evaluates their life in extremes. Which means for people with this mindset, everything is either perfect or a disaster. And this is distorted thinking because life is never in binary, right? It's never black or white. When one lives life in such extremes and is not careful, they could end up hurting themselves as well as those around them. Because the demand for perfection is such that even the thought of not being able to meet the self-set benchmark can make them feel like a failure. This can also hamper their closest relationships, because they're not just demanding perfection from themselves but also from those who are associated with them. And when others don't meet this demand, they are considered to be failures as well. Sounds complex, right? But believe me, all or nothing mindset can come up in various areas of our life. Let me give you an example. Is there something that you've been putting off for lack of time or that you simply don't want to do it? Something like cleaning your closet or decluttering your desk, or perhaps working on your CV. During the week, you tell yourself that you will work on it this weekend. But what happens when you approach the weekend? What do you tell yourself? That I don't have time, or that I'm too tired to do this weekend, or that you will pick up and do this when you have a long weekend that's coming up. Sounds familiar, right? Now, this applies in various areas of your life. It impacts your health, your finances, your family, your life goals, and I can go on and on, but you get the drift, right? Do you recognize that what this mindset can do to you and your self-esteem in a long run? That's the question I wanted to leave you today with. Reflect on an incident or a behavior where all or nothing mindset comes up for you. Observe what that behavior is doing to you in terms of its impact on your thoughts, your actions, and perhaps even your emotions. And then decide whether or not you want to change it. If you do, then watch out for my next video in which I will share with you steps on working out of this kind of mindset. Meanwhile, do let me know your thoughts or questions that you have in the comment section below, or you may reach out to me in any of the social media platforms that I'm in. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do hit the like button and share it with your friends, and I'll see you next week. Until then, stay home, stay safe.